In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create short videos in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your browser. Once you're on the main interface, look for the video generation section and click into it. This is where you'll set up your short AI video. Next, choose a model. Different models may offer slightly different tools or behaviors, so this choice helps define how your video will be generated. After selecting the model, click the image icon with the plus symbol. This is the option that lets you add a visual source for your video. From there, choose the input type shown for your model. Depending on what you selected, this may appear as start frame, image reference, or video reference. The wording can vary, but the idea is the same. You're giving Leonardo a visual starting point. Now click on your generations to access content you've already created. Select your previous generation from the library, then click Confirm to use it. This is a helpful way to turn an existing image into a short animated result without starting from scratch. Once your reference is loaded, type in your prompt. Keep your description clear and specific so the motion or scene you want is easier for the AI to interpret. After that, choose your video duration. Shorter durations are great for quick social style clips, while slightly longer ones can give the motion more room to develop. Then, choose your video dimensions. This is important because it affects how the video fits different platforms or viewing formats, so pick the size that matches your intended use. When everything looks good, click Generate. Leonardo will begin processing your short video based on the model, reference image, prompt, duration, and dimensions you selected. And that's it. Once the generation finishes, you'll have a short AI video created directly inside Leonardo AI Desktop.